Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And as you know, I had a trip to Bali with my cousins, and you are watching its part 2. So let's get started. If you have not seen the part 1 of the Bali vlog, then please click on the I button. And after having the Bali jungle safari, we reached Ubud, and our villa was situated in the middle of the paddy field. So let's get inside and explore the villa. So this is the first room just in front of the pool. Now going up the stairs, and that was room number 2. This room had 2 balconies with the amazing view of the paddy fields. This is the dining area and the temple. And here we enter the room number 3. After that, we all jumped into the pool to have some fun. Our first destination in Ubud was Tegalaleng Rice Terrace. You can walk down into the field and enjoy nature's serenity. This is the Bali swing, all of us, and obviously the Khai. Oh my god, that was hilarious as well as thrilling experience. Okay, so this is Luwak coffee, world's costliest coffee that is made up of poop of an animal called as luwak. If you don't believe me, just Google it. We started our day 2 by having some Indian food at this restaurant, and then went to Camping and Ridge Walk. It was like a long, infinite walking track where you just have to walk, 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 and walk. And yes, do not miss the local culture of Bali. This is a sarong getting prepared. And the authentic Balinese food that you will find in Ubud morning market. Here comes the local Balinese dance. They are depicting Mahabharata. Located in the center of Ubud is the sacred monkey forest, where you will find monkeys everywhere, like literally everywhere, even on your hands. Ubud, just like Kuta, has cute little cafes with live band performances. It was our last day in Bali and we decided to go to the very famous temple, that was Bali temple. It was a very beautiful and calm place with lakes and mountains. So it was the time to say bye-bye to Bali, and if you guys liked the video,